Welcome to Brain Vision.
Let's take a look at the question. So the question was asking us how much water will be boiled off if the asteroid hit on the Pacific Ocean. Okay. So let's figure out the kinetic energy of the asteroid, which is 1/2 mv squared. We know the mass of the asteroid is 2.6 times 10 to the power 15 kilogram, and the velocity is 32 kilometer per second. Sorry. Kilometer per second. Okay. So kinetic energy will be equal to 1/2 times 2.6 times 10 to the power 15 kilogram times 32 kilometer per second, which is 32 times 10 to the power 3 meter per second, because 1 kilometer is 10 to the power of 3 meter, okay? And square, and this will give us 1.3312 times 10 to the power of 24 joule, okay? And we was talking about only 1% of such energy will boil the water. So 1%, which is 0.01, times the kinetic energy we have, it will give us 1.3312 times 10 to the power of 22 joule. Okay? So now we need to figure out how much water will be boiled off. So the mass of water we don't know, but we can figure it out through a formula which is Q equal to mc delta T plus ml. The mc delta T here is the heat that required to raise to change the temperature, okay? And the ml here is just the latent heat times the mass, okay? Because in order to boil the water, remember the initial temperature was 10 degrees Celsius? So in order to boil the water must reach 100 degrees Celsius because that's the boil point. So latent heat will be involved as a part of the transformation from the liquid to the heat, to the gas. Because when we boil the water will turn into gas, like water vapor, you know. So okay, let's work on our calculation here. So we get m, which is simply equal to q over c delta t plus l. So q, we already know, which is 1.3312 times 10 to the power of 22 joule. Okay, C, so the specific for water is 4190 joule per kilogram times degree Celsius. Okay, and times the change in temperature. So since it's from 10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, so just 90 degrees Celsius. That's the change in temperature. And plus the latent heats for water to boil. And that's 2256 times 10 to the power of 3 joule per kilogram. Okay? After all these calculations, you give us the mass is equal to 5.06 times 10 to the power of 15 kilograms. So this is how much water we boiled off if the asteroid hit on the Pacific Ocean. Okay, and thank you.